Hello YouTube, Skoda Yoda here, SY Diagnostics, and today we've got a 2013 Ford C-MAX with the engine management light on. So let's confirm the fault. Engine management stays on, and the engine malfunction light is on the dashboard as well. So let's go read the fault codes and let's go fix it. Okay, so we've got some fault codes now, and a couple of the fault codes relating to DPF regeneration conditions not met, and also the temperature not reached to carry out the DPF regeneration. As we know, the regeneration temperature exceeds 600 degrees. So what we're going to look at is the fuel vaporizer. I'm just pointing to it here, tucked away nicely on the exhaust system. So we're just going to do some testing on that. Okay, so the quickest way of testing the vaporizer is to remove the fuel supply pipe, and using a MITI-vac you shouldn't be able to apply any vacuum or pressure to the vaporizer itself. If you can apply vacuum or pressure and it holds, this indicates a blockage in the vaporizer and it does need replacing. So as you can see, I've got a pipe connected, and we've got it onto the MITI-vac itself. I'm going to do, and as you can see, it's holding pressure. So this requires a fuel vaporizer. Okay, with a little bit of persuasion from the blue nose spanner, I've managed to get the nut all the way out of the fixing. The vaporizer now is seized within the pipe itself, so I've now got to get that out. So what I thought I'd do, now the vaporizer's out, I've connected it up to the MITI-vac. I'm just going to apply a pressure and as you can see, although the pressure is decaying, I shouldn't be able to create the pressure that I've got. This indicates that the vaporizer itself is blocked. What I'll do now, using the new one, I'll demonstrate how a new one should look. So the new vaporizer is fitted. I'm now pumping the MITI-VAC, and as you can see, no pressure is created. Okay, so as you can see, the new vaporizer has been fitted. Now we're going to build the vehicle back up, put the under trays all back on, and start a DPF regeneration. There is one further test I can do. Obviously I can test a little fuel pump for the vaporizer itself, but I'm pretty certain that with the blockage on the vaporizer that this is the initial fault. Okay, so we're fully built up now. New vaporizer fitted. I've attempted to delete the fault codes. Unfortunately, the fault codes for the restriction obviously won't clear because it is restricted. So I need to do a force regeneration. But first what I'll do, I'll road test it around the block, get some temperature into it. Possibly it may start a regeneration on its own, but I very much doubt it. So I'm just going to do a quick road test, and then what we'll do is a forced regeneration statically. Right, so we've just completed a successful static regeneration, cleared all the fault codes, and start the engine up now. As you can see, the engine management light goes out, no warning lights come up on the dashboard. Now we're going to take it for a decent road test, probably 10 or 15 miles, evaluate the figures after that, then call it a fix. So having carried out a 10-mile road test, here are the figures afterwards. As you can see, the DPF load is creeping back up, but this is normal. It'll get to about 100% and then start its regeneration again. So that's a fix in my eyes. Thanks for watching.